welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing, guys, to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we want to give you some Jamaican fried up saltfish. I do it so many times, over and over and over. But this time, we're going to give it with some rice. I normally do saltfish with dumpling, saltfish with fried dumpling, saltfish with banana. But you know, I never thought of doing it with some rice. So this time we decided to fry up some saltfish and serve it with rice. It's a Jamaican style, Jamaican way, and I know you guys will love it. And I'm sharing it with you today. You can have it with some nice, lovely coconut rice or some vegetable rice. Whatever you like. Mwah. You will love the recipe. So subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, get a copy of Chef Ricardo cooking book. It's on Amazon, 50% off at the moment. We love you. Thank you so much. So basically right here, guys, as you can see, spring onion, white onion, tomato, and also some mixed pepper, red and green and yellow. Right over here I have some saltfish. I got 500 grams of saltfish, which is just boiled off and put into some water, wash it off into some water, and then I pick it up, guys. So that don't take any time. That's very easy and simple to prepare. So but anyway, we're gonna show you how you can also fry it up and serve it with some rice. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much, guys. Nice and lovely. So right here, that's my medium-sized frying pan, and I'm gonna pop roughly a teaspoon of vegetable oil inside of it like that. That's the first thing what you need to do when you put on a frying pan. Basically, my frying pan on the stove about 2 seconds now, so probably a little bit warm, ready for seasoning. Next thing what we're gonna do, first thing is get in the white onion. That's the white onion. That's the mixed peppers. Look at that, that's beautiful. That's the spring onion. And that's the tomato. So all of those seasoning is inside of it. Pinch of ghost pepper. Jamaicans catch by the pepper for flavor. Give it a stir. Let this fry for about 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna add that lovely saltfish. So as I said before, 500 grams of saltfish, and it is the boneless saltfish. So basically what you're going to do is just wash it off, boil it up, and pick it up very small. Some people leave it big, whole big, but I like it picked up small. We're going to add a little bit of sweet corn. You don't have to add sweet corn. A little bit of ketchup for flavor. You don't have to add ketchup, guys. I always say you don't have to add, but for me, I like to add, so I give it a little bit of flavor. Nice, I love it. So as you can see, this is finished, and now we're gonna share it out because I have it cooking about next 5 more minutes. So looking lovely and nice, as you can see, really fantastic. So we're gonna share it out, guys, and let you guys see exactly what we're talking about. All right. So as you can see, I just shared a nice lovely cup of rice, and this is basically the corned beef. Yeah, but the saltfish, fried up saltfish, really nice and beautiful. Look at that, lot of color and thing. Why don't give it a try for a Saturday evening dinner or during the week dinner? It's a nice recipe, guys, and I know you guys like the recipe. So subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe like this for you. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.